Husband hospitalized after allegedly stabbing wife to death in Frankfield, Clarendon. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A Clarendon husband is now hospitalized on the police guard following the alleged murder of his 33-year-old wife. The deceased has been identified as Shane Williams of Cupid District, Frankfield in Clarendon. Charged with murder is Honoré Williams, also known as Bartel, a 39-year-old chef. Links 007 TV News understands that at approximately 12:05 a.m. Tuesday, Shane and Honoré were at home with their children when a dispute escalated into a physical fight. It is alleged that Honoré used a knife to inflict multiple stab wounds to Shane and then set the house on fire. The police said that the children managed to escape unharmed, and with the help of residents, Shane was pulled from the burning house. The police and firefighters were summoned, and upon extinguishing the fire, the lawman found Shane's body in the yard with multiple stab wounds and burn marks. She was taken to hospital where she was pronounced dead. Honoré later turned himself into the police. He reportedly had injuries. The news of the death of Shane in Frankfield, Clarendon has left the whole entire Cupid community in total shock. It's not immediately clear what led to the argument, but as a family member spoke to reporters, it was very clear that something was wrong in the household. Little did family members knew that what began as a quiet Tuesday morning in the Cupid community would end in such a tragedy. A aunt who spoke to reporters said that the signs were there and she knew that something was wrong.
Sometimes when I go down there, I don't even go in the house. I just sit down at the hen right here. Her husband is like, her husband, I told sometime how her husband look. I don't like how her husband look. So I tell her, I'm not coming in the house. She always say, you afraid of Henry? I say, no, but I don't like how he look. I'm afraid of her. I don't like him. We are all one family in the community. We talk to each other. When she's ready, she come down by my house. When I'm here, she come with it, we lie down, we cook and we eat together. She's not a vile person. She's a very nice person. Whenever time I am passing, she's like right there standing, that is her house. And she stand up and call, Auntie Esther, you all right? And I say, yes, me all right.
Her husband is now in police custody on the police guard in hospital and is receiving treatment for self-inflicted injuries. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.